What's going on outside today?
Yeah, we have, well, pretty dry conditions for us locally. We are looking, not too far away there into the southern Gulf of Mexico is where we do have Hurricane Milton, but that is going to tap into steering winds that are going to take this system toward Florida, which the bad news for Florida is they're already seeing a decent amount of rain right now, then more rain on top of this and additional storm surge and the wind threat that comes along with a hurricane, all targeting the Sunshine States. Meanwhile, we are going to be sunny as we continue to see northerly winds coming around on the backside of Milton. So right here, here's the low associated with Milton. You see the northerly winds coming down and then wrapping around the center of that storm. We're going to keep these mostly northerly winds throughout the upcoming week, which is going to keep us on the drier side, and our overnight temperatures should trend cooler, especially with the help of a weak front kind of midweek as well. So what we are looking at right now, calm conditions out across our water in our port of Corpus Christi. Passing over the Harbor Bridge, traffic seems to be flowing smoothly this morning. It is 73 degrees right now as we are in the 5 o'clock hour, approaching the 6 o'clock hour. Your current time is 5:49 and it's 73 degrees. We are going to see our temperatures heat up, so by this afternoon we'll have highs in the 90s, but we're on the cooler side at least through about 9-10 a.m. before we really start to feel the brunt of the sun. Hurricane Milton is a Category 2 storm, winds 100 miles per hour, and it is expected to rapidly intensify as it does make its way across the Gulf of Mexico. Still expected to be a strong hurricane at landfall, but there is a chance for some weakening as it does approach Florida, but it's not going to be much. The strongest part of the storm will be just north of the Yucatan Peninsula. You could see the rainfall as Milton moves over, only intensifying over Florida. Meanwhile, the rest of us, we're looking pretty dry. That's thanks to high pressure. So for your 3 things to know, we've got high pressure in place, so it's still going to be hot here locally. Humidity, for the most part, is going to be in check thanks to those northerly winds. And there is a weak front that will move through Wednesday. That may keep our temperatures a little cooler as we head into the overnight hours, not so much in the afternoon. But what you see here is that front, it's going to kind of get hung up over the hill country and may not make its way through the coastal bend. But with high pressure kind of just off to our west, that'll continue to intensify those northerly winds. And there is another front as we head into early next week. Again, none of these are looking to be too strong or really impacting our weather much, but what you need to know about the front this week on Wednesday, our dew point does look like it falls below 60. We'll have dew points in the 50s, which makes it feel really comfortable outside. It's going to be great running weather there on Wednesday. Lots of sunshine for the week ahead. No real sight of rain. Great blitz weather. Temperatures in the mid 60s once that front passes through. So Thursday morning, Friday morning, Saturday morning, all looking pretty nice. John Thomas.
Can't wait for it. Thank you, Carla.